In today's short analysis video, we will discuss on CME Group stock. This stock has broken out from an important resistance level. Along with that, there are multiple positive factors which has already triggered in the stock simultaneously, and as a result, it gives us an opportunity to buy this stock before a big upside rally gets started. We can initiate a buy position before a big upside move get triggered. Dear friends, if you'll make a closer look over here, this was a top where the stock has given a correction in the form of downward sloping parallel channel. And as long as the stock was trading under this downward sloping parallel channel, the stock got corrected by price wise, and there was a back-to-back lower lows. If you'll see here, this was the first lower lows, this is in second lower lows, and here is the last lower lows. And as soon as this downward sloping parallel channel got triggered on the upper end, first time its lower lows shifted to higher highs, and this is a confirmation. This is a point where the game started to change. Here we got a two major positive signal. The first positive signal is downward sloping parallel channel got triggered on the upper end. The second positive signal is lower lows shifted to higher highs. Whenever we identify that lower lows are getting shifted to higher highs, we take that as a confirmation that stock has completed the correction and now it's ready for an upside move. And now the third positive signal will identify, and that will be a positive diversion. Even if you'll put a diversion, if you put a RSI on the chart, you will surprised to notice that even the diversion is showing a positive diversion. If you'll notice over here the price actions, if you'll see the last lower low swing of the price action is constantly flat. And the same thing if you'll see on the RSI end, it's tilting on the upper end. And this is an area where we got a breakout. So this is an positive diversion, and it will impact on the stock on the buy side. And furthermore, the last one is the chart pattern. If you'll see over here the fourth positive signal, and that will be, my friends, it's in downward box pattern breakout. If you'll see, this is a neckline. This white line we will consider as a neckline that is located exactly near to an $275, which has already triggered on the upper end. And now the first target of this stock shall be, first target will be $287, and the second target will be 290. And my dear friends, whatever, now if you see this area of the neckline, this area of the neckline will act as an important support, because earlier this was in resistance. Now it has turned into an important support. The resistance changed into an important support because multiple positive factors had been action over here. If you'll see over here, this was an area where we have seen the downward sloping parallel channel got triggered on the upper side. This was an area where we have identified the lower lows shifted to higher highs. And this was an area where we have identified the positive diversion between the price action and the RSI. And this was an area where we have identified the parallel channel breakout, or you can say has a downward box pattern breakout. So with due respect of all these positive factors, the stock will going to see a positive momentum on the upper end. This is it for today, my dear friends, and if you really like my analysis, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thanks, bye-bye.